1 pack of Japanese tofu. Open up the package and cut tofu 1.5 centimeters wide and coat it with cornstarch. Then fry the tofu until golden brown. Lift and set it aside. Now preparing the vegetables. Cut thinly 1 medium carrot. Then, cut 1 broccoli into bite sizes. Cut squares 3 Chinese cabbage and 1 Stem Pokcoy. Cut 1 or 2 black ear mushrooms into small pieces. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Thinly slice half of onion and a ginger. Boil the water in a pot. Boil broccoli for 30 to 40 seconds and then drain the broccoli and put in a cold water. Now boil the carrot for 20 seconds, drain and put in a cold water as well. Heat the cooking oil in a wok. Stir fry onion, garlic and ginger until it smells good. Then, add cooking wine. This is optional. Add in the mushrooms. Then, add 150 grams of shrimps. Cook it for a while, then add carrots and broccoli. Add 1½ tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and ½ teaspoon fish sauce. Stir it well. Pour in 200 to 300 milliliters water. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and enough of salt and pepper. Now add Chinese cabbage and pak choy in. Stir it well. When it's bubbling, add the cornstarch. Then, put in the fried tofu. Last, add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Cook until it gets thickened and cooked. And your SAPO tofu is ready to serve.